Good morning. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel with some Arctic weather. Woo, we got quite the forecast. Now let's see if this old girl will actually start. By the guess of the key fob not unlocking the car, I'm gonna say it's not going to. However, today we're supposed to get some really nice, very nice ice, freezing rain, and potentially some snow. Come on, come on. Ah! Dang it, she's dead. Well, that's alright. I just, with ice coming, I don't want any of the branches to like fall down and, obviously fall on the Corvette. So, I guess at this point, if it happens, it happens. Probably won't, but I could also jump start it. I know if I jump start it, it would move. The girls over there, they're loving it. Don't worry. You might be like, why are they outside? Well, those dogs are super spoiled and they got a heater in their doghouse and they love it. And sometimes they love it too much and it's too warm. But they sit outside and chill. They like to chill. Anyhow, we'll show you guys some basketball here in a minute. Roll that intro. Whew. Okay, so we got the Jeep over there. We're gonna try and jump it. Maybe. Come on. Come on, old girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love it. What the heck? What's the tool in there? Oh, that's funny. That's hilarious. So go ahead and take this off. Get that off. Whew. There we go. Now we can safely move the Corvette over that direction, away from under the trees. Let it warm up for a minute here. Oh, burn! Toss those in the trunk. Whew. Oh. Boy, it's gotta be like 2 degrees out here. Okay, I gotta put the phone down to do this. Whew, there we go. Jeep's good now too. So go ahead and back the Jeep up over there. I love this. Just being able to drive right through here. Get to whatever we need to. It's like Jeep thing. Jeep territory. Let's get a big zoom out there. There we go. Put it in drive. We'll go around the trees. Da-da, da-da. Hey, hey, hey. It's cold outside. Okay, so it says it's 27 out. It's a bit icy. Tomorrow we're supposed to get a lot of snow. But I think what we're gonna do is I'll show you guys a little bit of basketball, and then we're gonna switch over to shoot, I totally just forgot. Like my brain just went duh. We're gonna show you a little bit more about the Corvette and what's coming. And I know we've talked about it, the power steering problems. We're gonna discover those soon. Just not today or probably this weekend because it's too dang cold and our garage is full. So that is what it is. Whew. Good morning. It is, here's the snow after the ice. So you can see the ice there. Everything's iced over in this winter wonderland. But I wanted to show you guys the Corvette because we did run the cord and we got her all plugged in. So now she's plugged in and covered up in snow. A lot of ice. A lot of ice. Like the tires. That's so funny. Just iced over. Whew. It's cold. But that's okay. Nissan's pretty iced over too. And snow covered. Whew. Quite a bit. Share the love. Ah. It's supposed to snow the rest of the day. Anyhow, we getting the dog stuff all ready for them. Getting their house warmed up. Burr. And I'm gonna get the kids a sled real quick. This is their ramp into leaf piles. Well, maybe. There we go, that got it out. Because they'll want to play with this later. Woo-wee. Yeah, the doggies, they love it. They love the snow. They're like, let's go! Their doghouse is warming up, though, so we've got them in the garage with a little space heater there to keep them. Yes, hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi. Hi, Charlie. Hi. Hi.
She's so dirty.
Hi, Zoe.
Why are you so dirty?
Hi, Zoe. Hi. Hi. Hello. There you go. You can get in there. You can get in your kennel. Go ahead. Get in your kennel. You can get in there. Or you can come out.
Look at the door.
Whatever you want to play with. Yeah, the door's nice and solid. A solid ice. Brrr. Come on. Okay. Well, anyways, if you guys enjoyed this little video, smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. I got my Arctic Vette suit on. Look at them. White pants. It's kind of hard. There you go. Got my white pants. My nice winter coat. Man, this thing is warm. I'll tell you what, the only thing that's cold is my hand because I don't have a glove on it so that I can click the buttons on my phone. But if you guys enjoyed it, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video, and we might be doing a live stream of driving in this stuff later. Stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Have a great day. God bless you.